we can see how to create an index in a table by XML lequibase. So first of all, we check the field in employee table and check index. So currently in employee table, one field ID that has prime index by default because of primary key. So here description, we add the description for employee name. So in a lequibase, we create one chain set and create index. So here one structure employee table and give a index name emp underscore name idx postfix for identify employee name has indexes. Now we mention here name, which field we want to give a index. So currently employee name. So we can also here give more than one column, but currently we give a one index. So now we want to effect on a table, so I restart the application and now see application successfully start, and now see the index is index is created for employee table. Let's see.